We're back at it again. I've been wanting to make some more videos, but every time I start making like a video series, something happens, something breaks. This time it was my desktop where I've been editing my videos, so I've got to figure out another computer. Hopefully by the time you see this, I'll have all the other video footage I have of me messing with these cam bearings here, and then you'll catch up to speed here. But what I wanted to focus on today was, this is the rocker arm thing. I ordered what's called a Trunion kit, and I wanted to just kind of explain what it is. So this is the original rocker arm, and there's nothing wrong with these rocker arms except for the fact that where the bolt goes through here that holds it and lets it pivot, these bearings, the way they're pressed in, there's nothing holding them, so they can walk off. Let me get a bearing I took apart to show you what kind of a mess it'll make. So these bearings can walk off, and I've pressed this one out already, but when they come off, there's absolutely nothing. See these bearings in here? There's nothing holding these little needle bearings from just getting decimated inside your engine. So I'm going to throw this one away. Anyway, what they've come up with to remedy this little trunnion here, they have this new design. Let me wipe my hand off. There's this new design. Put these two next to each other. You see, it takes the entire bearing, goes on this. I'm not going to press it on. There's a plastic piece in the bearing to keep all the bearings in there. But when you press this all together and you got your new bearing on there, it now takes one of these clips on the edge, preventing the bearing from walking out. And it's just a little safeguard for you to, not grenade your engine over some dumb design. I don't know why they made this like this, where there's literally nothing other than friction holding these in. When they press it in, that's it. So, I know how I am, the way I drive. This thing's going to see high RPM. These things are going to be bouncing all over the place. Those bearings are going to pop out. So that's why I got this updated Trunion kit. And I'm going to put all this back, but this is the packaging it came in. Got all your bearings. These are all those clips. And then they give you new hold down nuts. And that's it. Also I got, let me take one out of the package here. So here they are side by side. The roller on the original ones, it's open here and they're prone to these things breaking. The newer updated ones, the roller's completely encased. So there's no chance of it, well, I can't say no chance, but less of a chance of it breaking between those pins there. Where this version, it's open. So that's why I'm going with these. Little upgrade. So I got some cleaning, and I'm not going to be putting this stuff together for a little bit, but we're getting the stuff. I've got everything to put the short block together right now. I got the camshaft. I ordered the bearings. They're coming. I got to push the bearings in, put the cam in. I do need a timing chain. I'm just about done cleaning all these pistons. I got one more back there that I got to clean. Everything on this back row can be thrown away. That's the old springs, the old cartridges, the old lifters. It's all being replaced with new stuff. I know I said this is going to be a junkyard build, but I know how I drive, and this stuff is all going to fail. So, well, that and like the springs needed to be upgraded with the cam. So, I'm just doing a supporting modification. But I'll get this all cleaned up. Hopefully next time you see this workbench, it'll be very clean and I'll be assembling something. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.